Learn English with Abiha.
100 plus daily used English sentences. Good morning. Have a great day. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you today? How is everything going on? Hope you're doing well. Hello, beautiful. Have a wonderful day. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your help. I am grateful for you. That means a lot to me. You are an amazing friend. What time is it? You got this. Believe in yourself. Stay positive. Never give up. You are strong. How are you today? What's your name? Where are you from? Nice to meet you. How was your day? Nice to meet you. I am not feeling well. That's a great idea. I am so excited. Have a safe trip. How can I help? I am here for you. You are not alone. I want to go to park. I want to go to hospital. I want to introduce myself. Today's a new day. Let's crush our goals. You are making progress. Well done. I love you. You are my rock. Thank you for being you. I'm so happy for you. You deserve happiness. Grow every day. Learn from your mistakes. Focus on the positive. Self-care is important. You are stronger than yesterday. Great job. What's going on? Get up early. Go and play. Comb your hair. Have your lunch. How do you feel? Why are you late? Are you lying? Don't abuse me. It is a lovely day. That's so kind of you. Where is your office? What's for breakfast? I am hungry. Can I have the menu? Do you like spicy food? Where's the nearest hotel? Can I take a break? I have a meeting at 11 a.m. What's your schedule today? I need to finish this project. What's your major? I am lost. Do you have a map? Can I get a taxi? What's the best way to go to hospital? Where's the nearest airport? Eat well, feel well. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy and happy. Dreams do come true. Anything is possible. Stay inspired. Make it happen. Your passion shines through. Let go of negativity. Goodbye. See you later. Have a nice day. What did you say? Can you repeat that? I didn't understand. Do you have any questions? Can I ask you something? What do you think? That's amazing. That's interesting. I love it. Where's the plan? Can we take a break? Do you have any suggestions?
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe the channel.